Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to move a text box in Power BI. If you've been working with text boxes in your reports and finding them tricky to reposition, this simple technique will make the process much smoother and give you better control over your dashboard layout. First, open your Power BI desktop application and navigate to the report where you need to work with your text box. Once you're in, locate the text box that you want to move. This could be a title, a description, or any piece of text you've added to your report canvas. Now, here's the key trick that makes all the difference. The simple solution to moving your text box is to avoid clicking directly in the center of it. When you click the center, Power BI assumes you want to edit the text inside rather than move the entire box. Instead, you need to click on the edge or border of the text box. This tells Power BI that you want to interact with the box itself, not its contents. So go ahead and click directly on the line that forms the border of your text box. Once you've clicked the edge, you can simply drag it to wherever you want it to go on your canvas. You'll notice the text box moves smoothly as you drag, allowing you to position it exactly where it fits best in your report design. This dragging method is especially useful when you need to make larger movements or position the box precisely relative to other elements. Alternatively, if you prefer more precise control or need to make small adjustments, there's another method you can use. Click on the border line around the text box to select it, just like before, but instead of dragging, use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Each press of an arrow key will nudge the text box slightly in that direction. This is perfect for fine-tuning the position when you need pixel-perfect alignment or when you're working with a detailed layout. And that's it. By clicking the border instead of the center, you can now move your text boxes freely around your Power BI reports, either by dragging with your mouse or using the arrow keys for precise adjustments. This simple technique gives you full control over your text box placement and makes organizing your dashboard much easier. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.